7 Proven Health Benefits of Drinking Onion Tea. In the realm of natural remedies, onion tea has been gaining attention for its myriad health benefits. While onions are commonly used as a culinary ingredient, their potential health-promoting properties extend beyond the kitchen. Packed with essential nutrients and bioactive compounds, onion tea offers a refreshing and therapeutic beverage that may contribute to overall well-being. Let's delve into the 7 proven health benefits of incorporating onion tea into your daily routine. Number 1. Boosts immunity. Onions are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, flavonoids, and phytochemicals, which play a vital role in strengthening the immune system. Regular consumption of onion tea may help fend off infections and illnesses by enhancing immune function and combating free radicals that can damage cells. Number 2. Supports digestive health. The presence of dietary fiber and prebiotics in onions promotes gut health by supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract. Drinking onion tea can aid in digestion, alleviate constipation, and reduce the risk of gastrointestinal issues such as bloating and indigestion. Number 3. Heart health. Studies have shown that onions contain compounds like quercetin and sulfur compounds that have cardiovascular benefits. Drinking onion tea may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin, a powerful antioxidant found abundantly in onions, exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate inflammation and swelling in the body. Incorporating onion tea into your daily regimen may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis and asthma. Number 5. Detoxification. The sulfur-containing compounds in onions, particularly allyl sulfides, support the body's natural detoxification processes by aiding in the elimination of toxins and heavy metals. By drinking onion tea regularly, you can assist your body in flushing out harmful substances and promoting overall detoxification. Number 6. Improves respiratory health. Onion tea has been traditionally used as a natural remedy for respiratory ailments like coughs, colds, and congestion. The expectorant properties of onions help loosen mucus and phlegm, making it easier to expel respiratory secretions and relieve symptoms of respiratory infections. Number 7. Weight management. Incorporating onion tea into a balanced diet and exercise regimen may aid in weight management. Onions are low in calories and rich in fiber, which promotes satiety and reduces appetite, potentially leading to decreased calorie intake and weight loss. How to prepare onion tea. Ingredients: 1 onion, preferably organic, 2 cups of water. Instructions: peel and chop the onion into small pieces. Bring the water to a boil in a saucepan. Add the chopped onion to the boiling water. Allow the mixture to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and pour it into a cup. Optionally, you can add honey or lemon for flavor. Onion tea offers a natural and convenient way to harness the health benefits of onions. From boosting immunity to promoting heart health and aiding in weight management, the compounds found in onion tea can positively impact various aspects of health. Incorporate this flavorful beverage into your daily routine to support your overall well-being and enjoy its numerous health perks. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have existing health conditions or concerns.